Steelmama specializes in the development of roof roll forming machines. This video shows the production process of a high-quality metal bending machine. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. It features easy setup, precise operation, and efficiency, allowing contractors to create customized lengths and profiles directly at the job site, saving time and reducing waste. This is during roll bending. With customizable profiles, this machine is ideal for residential, commercial, and industrial roofing projects, ensuring consistent, professional results with every use. A coil appender, also known as a coil tipper or positioner. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.